what is today?
Sunday Fun Day!
So what are we gonna do for Sunday Fun Day?
We're gonna go check out the farm! And our cousin's gonna come.
Yes, we're gonna have our cousin with us and we're gonna have so much fun! We're going in the tractor? Stella, you ready? All right, here we go. Hey, Stella! Ah! Oh! You just got crashed. Oh no. Here we go. Abby's all the way in front. Go, Emma. Am I gonna pass her? Are we gonna pass her? She's blocking me. You can pet his hair. Very soft. You can pet his hair, yeah. Emma, you can pet your pony, Jackson. All right, let's see what's in here.
Did you know the African tortoise can live up to 150 years?
Looks like this turtle plays soccer. Oh yeah, look at the chicks. All the babies.
Did you know sheep do not like people?
Let's go find. You want wanna go find a goat? Look, I think there's one here. Look! Hey! Look, goats! Come over here, Stella. Try to pet them. Look, you pet them. You pet them. Be gentle. They're eating. You gotta go and pet them. See, this is a sheep. They don't like to be pet. But look, this goat, you can pet him. Look. See? See? The goats like to be pet. Very gentle, like that in his head. Yep.
Did you know goats only have bottom teeth?
So nice. Oh, look at that. Look at the little chicks. Look how cute. Thank you. Oh, wait. You pet the goat. All right, say bye. They're sheep. None of them are tall enough for the hay. Stella! All right, we're lost in the hay maze. There you are. Where's Stella? Here you are. Here, go behind. Stay with me, okay, so we don't get lost. Here, we can run. Which way? Here? I saw them. There you are. Have you seen your sister? Oh no. Dead end. Alright, help me. I got to a dead end. Where are you? Yes, we made it out, but we don't have the other girls. Okay, our kids are somewhere in there. Who knows where? I hope Stella's alright. Does anybody have Stella? No. Alright, girls, we gotta go find Stella. Dad has Stella.
We made it out.
Stella, you gonna make it to the end? Let's see. Yay, Stella, happy dance. You made it. Hey, Abby, Stella, the floor's lava in 3, 2, 1. Yellow. All right, so you go first. All right, now I'm yellow, so I'm gonna go next, and I'm gonna put it right here. All right, I'm gonna go next. You have to get 4 in a row. I'm not gonna let you win. Blocked. I'm gonna go and I'm gonna put it right here. Oh, you sure you want it there? Oh, Stella, look.